Hello KS3, welcome to this week's assembly. Hello everyone, I hope you have a fantastic day today, full of fun and games. Thank you so much to Student Voice for organising this. They've done a fantastic job. I hope you all contribute and enjoy it.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think...
Welcome everyone to News Round. I'm your host Indy French with the news for this week. Let's get started with this week's news right away. Number 1. Meteorites. On February 28th, a ball of fire twinkled in the sky as it flew by England. Only today has a fragment of the ball of hot rock been found in someone's driveway. Scientists are eager about this meteorite, as it can tell us a lot on how the solar system was formed, as the material that composed the meteor was carbonaceous chondrite. Wow, very interesting. Number 2, bird news. Did you know that the oldest bird in the world is a female albatross? She is 70 years old and keeps surprising scientists with abnormal albatross behaviour, like how she lays eggs more often than other females. The albatross is called Wisdom, and she is being watched by scientists who want to find out more about her species. Number 3, DBGS news. Well, here we have another holiday. I hope everyone has a great 1-week holiday, and if you did not know, this concludes Season 2 of News Round. So be prepared for Season 3 coming soon after the break. It's going to be bigger and better than ever. My name is Indy, and I'll see you next time on News Round.
Now I'm